are nice again. People na na na. Yo, chat. You don't know, listen. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Booking, pan top of booking, pan top of booking. Alkaline busy. You get me, I say? So you don't know, say, the youngest and the baddest man himself, Alkaline, will be at French Ghana, August the 15th, performing at Reggae Day. You get me?
A few moments later.
This is brand new Alkaline taking over the world right now with a dancehall heavyweight rhythm. This is called Gyal. Good.
Wine Gyal bend.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Masicka, big up yourself with that interview there with Dean Jackson Miller and all English, and the best interview from a dancehall artist for 2026. I'm not lie, I hope Alkaline watch the interview there and start do back some interview like when we used to do with him just company scene.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
No. Masicka, I'll tell you this. You see, we all that interview the forward across, bro. It sound like you're on some tentative thing. It sound
2,000 years later.
Yeah, dancer. Then Mr. Bombo, it's a boy wicked man. Then man go ahead and say he never tell anybody, nobody in general. He never look up to nobody yet. The man say he never look up to nobody yet. And Mr. Bombo, how much money man take up to?
So you see, if you son really rate on the artist and on the support on the artist, then do that. Put the money where the mouth is. Either buy the album, go to the show, or if you can do both, do both. Buy the album and go to the show, right?
Why are you crying?
Yes, man. Yeah, now we live. Now we live to come see you. I say, I do and you read, I do and this, I do and that. Because
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man, people. Gyal could have gone. Yo, that song you tell the ear, people. I can't bother no more. Big up everybody, respect for the support, you see me? You don't know one Media Fox money up. Dog, I tell you. That song, yeah, it gone. You see me? I can DJ tell you what I want.
Wine Gyal bend.
Yeah, man. I think it's an edited version.
The biggest hip-hop and R&B.
Now, if I'm being very honest here, the first time I heard this song, it was not a radio edit. So, I'm about to press play on a brand new tune that's been added to the Capital Extra playlist. I have never played it before, and my reaction to how it's gonna sound is one I cannot wait for. This is brand new Alkaline taking over the world right now.
When you hear that? Taking over the world. Gyal, good. Yeah, some man a size up some song and me I say, brother, you don't know what I'm going on. That me I tell you no.
Also heavyweight rhythm, this is called Gyal. Good.
Wine Gyal bend. Gyal then. Over now end. Hey, one thing more them feel understood.
When Gyal good.
When Gyal good. Top tier shit wine. When Gyal good.
We'll take it.
Yeah, man, song bad. So Nico Fire go tell you what I go on. Me say that you out here. Something wrong with him, you know. Yo, you know so Nico Fire not sleep? Him not sleep, you know, people? Me I tell you, him not sleep.
Masicka, big up yourself with that interview there with Dean Jackson Miller and all English, and the best interview from a dancehall artist for 2026. I'm not lie, I hope Alkaline watch the interview there and start do back some interview like when he used to do with him just company scene. The man even say, yo, he with the clash with him and Tommy Lee. The man say, yo, he go for dancehall, so him do it, and he also want get.
Bro, stop your nights, brother. I don't know how come Alkaline forward now this, me G. What I'm doing, dog? When no one Alkaline for go up on internet and call up some bag and name and talk about some different man. For the interview left, where everybody talk about cartel and this. At them thing down in one, brother. We not focus on the music. That's why Alkaline just do him interview. That's why I not like him interview them, because him now come call some man name and say something. And that are no problem. That's why the industry crash with Uno as artists, because when they're supposed to focus on the music when they come to the interviewer, it no go nowhere. I'm more left with them and controversy, and then people forget about the music. You understand? Him a drop a album and nobody now talk about the album after the interview a Cartel.
Family has strength, basically. Because him know if him answer him, it a good put bread and butter. And him have him family for feed, same way too. So the youth are deal with dancehall. Or like some of them are come and go like them big on dancehall. I'm free if you call Masicka name. And the man said, all of them that try to group up on him. And him have to defend himself. And them vex because him believe in himself. And him say him a king and him a goat. The man say him never want to be no dancehall king. Him never talk to him no dancehall king.
Then why him keep on a bring up the king thing? If you don't want to be no dancer, look how much artists now bring up dancehall king. Them don't want to be no king. You understand? Seem like Alkaline say him just want to be great. Masicka been a say king, when generational kings and all of them little thing there. Nothing wrong if him call himself king, but when you go say you don't want to be no king, but you say king, that don't make no sense, me G. If you don't want to be it, you not go say it.
Them a bad mind him, basically. Chose him say, yo, him is a king and he's a done. For him own herself. And the man also say, if every youth to consider himself a king and a general, they would have been less done in Jamaica because every youth would have been done for themselves. Which him have a point. People hate you when you believe in yourself. They want you to follow back at them. And the youth need to whine and a brief on the internet and not controversial. That's why I have to rate youth. And them youth still show them respect same way. Masicka, you think tough. Yeah man. Interview, bad. People don't go watch the interview.
Boom, watch his style. See, you don't know, you know. We there have to talk about the Masicka interview on all angles with there. You see me? I watch a style here now, no. Masicka, I'll tell you this. You see, we all that interview the forward across, bro. It sound like you depend on some tentative thing. It sound like you're concerned about what the Gaza fan base think or what the Gaza fan base might do.
And that's the problem because Masicka say them never want to recognize him. And them little thing that, bro, you know your feelings, you know just put in the work, my G. It's like you need attention there. You do good music. Where you worry about where people don't want to give you the credit or whatsoever, and then you don't want it make it look no way you talk about other people. Just put in the work, my G. You understand? That's all you have to do, you know. You worry about what people are say. You see it? Yeah, man.
If you talk what really go on, you see me? Because people already know say the whole situation begin at the Sumfest. You see me, I did. When Joshy say what him say. And when time the next morning forward, you jump on the internet, you see me, even big up Cartel and say, I know nothing like that. It's only when Cartel associates them start to say things on the internet now. You see me? On the internet, people them know they say, Masicka, you know see it say, you will get disrespected from Cartel. And in a them time frame there, you know, you see me, fire shot in one of the song them. Because you and Tamil is part of the war, you know.
But remember say Masicka talk about from where go on at the show at Atlanta, you know. Or from this Suprements are going.
You see me? And you denounce the thing and say, boy, you and Cartel and a friend. You see me, I did. A TG at the link. You see me, I did. So, it just seems like I say, boy, you don't really want to talk what go on. Because, bro, you have to man up, you know. If you decide, say, you want to run off the thing, these are things that go always happen and decisions where you have to make. You see me? Yeah. And I'm sure, you see me, as your fan base them out there to defend you, you see me, them go want to hear the absolution and the conviction from the artist where them rate. You see me, I need to know, say, yo, as an artist, you go stand up and whatever you deal with, you see me? Yeah. It things sound disingenuous, you see me, indeed, because people have followed the information and people have followed the happenings from them time till now, you see me. People know say after some first time, you see me, indeed. And
you know what the worst thing? Him could have do the interview, you know. But I feel like, say, G, you don't need to give nobody no type of energy, bro, cause album thing you deal with. But I understand the controversy and all of them things, they maybe want to address certain things, but I'll take focus off of the album and all of this, my G. Like, you see when you say them things there, bro, people out there in the industry, them now go and support you, my G, or support your album. You have to pre-read. You better you do it after your album release, dog. You have to smart, bro. You have to smart. You understand? Because you have an album, you have a show. You see me? When Alkaline have him show at Chilani, him never to dwell in them something there. And that's why people them crash out after the interview with Cliff Hughes or something. You understand? Because they want controversy, they want people call people name. If them not call nobody name, they say, yo, what kind of interview this? Wait. And that them love. You understand?
See what transpire. You see levels. So right now when you get asked the question and then now you are play it off the way there, the people them go pre and say, you know what I mean? Then what make you still now talk straight up what go on? It seems like a concern. You see me? We don't know say your album about to drop and we know say you have a show. You see me? And that show they under every microscope. You see me? Because they must say this and they must say that about the show. You see me? So it would want to look like I say, you try be careful of what you say. That means say you don't get a quote unquote backlash. You see me? And what you say, man, your fan base rate and your fan base are different every time. So, you see me? you have to be more absolute. You see me, I say, yeah, they must have to do something, you know. But just the way how the interview sound, it just sound like I say, you know what I mean? Like, you they euphemize what you really want to say. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, people follow up the page, man. You see me, you don't know any man out of the scope and beyond every limit down. Black, gold, green DNA.
Mad thing, man. So you don't know embassy that check him out over TikTok, you don't know? Yeah, man, I'm a G.
Whoosh, many of the people. So much come on the lights, bomb buckle, man, dancer. First we ain't go to have an interview until people say, oh, when you drop album on his birthday, which Alkaline birthday. They say, oh, how many people mistake, man? The man go to interview last night until people say, he never say he want to be a dancer. Never said that yet, over the female. Say, you want to be a dancer, or you want to be a dancer. Then Mr. Bomb buckle, it's a boy with him, man. Then
man just confused, yeah, dog. I just one of them things. You see me? Masicka actually, him don't know what he want.
Go ahead and say, he never tell anybody, nobody in general. He never looked at nobody yet. Man say, he never looked at nobody yet. And he say, bomb buckle, how much money man take up to?
Yeah, man, I just one of them things, bro.
When you call, what name, what kill, what name you call? Say, look up to. Can't tell what name look up to. Man, we can't lie, you fuck. Must have a long interview, man.
Yeah, dog, I be a lie intel, man. Be a lie. A good artist still. I be a lie, man, I tell man. You have bounty. You remember a man say, yo, Beanie are the king. One bag of something, brother. You look up to artists, my G. You see me, nothing wrong with that. You see me, because we don't see that from the get-go. You did their own conscience, a bag of thing.
Must have a long interview. Look on. When you watch Alkaline interview, man, and some people do interview. What wrong, Masicka, man? Must have a long interview, man, like, yo, fuck. Say you never look up to nobody yet. And when you grew up. Every time I remember we Black man, Black say he never look up to nobody yet, the dance hall. And also, he never say he want to be the king. He never say he want to be the king of dance hall. And boy, like, fuck, man. Everywhere man go, I say, me a king of dance hall, me the king of dance hall, the new king. Yo, what the fuck, man, very people. Masicka like, fuck. In a real life, Masicka like.
I just one of them things there, you know, dog. I just Masicka thing that, you see me? Yeah, man.
Listen, I just want to say, CJ Milan, I rate what she do. I rate the fact for say, you know, she help push dancehall artists even more to the forefront by creating certain spaces where them can get for thrive and, you know, be able to showcase them talent and gain more fans. Because at the end of the day, that moves the dancehall culture overall more.
Yeah, man, for real, man. And them Gaza man out here, this are and a bag of thing, it don't make no sense. You understand? Be a this are. You see, them boy don't want a culture growing up. Them don't want no culture grow, me G. Like, them want one artist alone to arena and get highlight and realize, bro, I'm more than one artist have to do this, you know. You understand? I saw you think go, me G.
Forward in an upward direction. So, much respect to CJ Milan for that. But hear me on one side. Do not get distracted. Not listen to the noise of the market. Just watch the sale. Because men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie.
So people, she's a Crocs, you know, yeah, man.
So you see if you really rate on the artist and on the support on the artist, then do that. Put the money where the mouth is. Either buy the album, go to the show, or if you can do both, do both. Buy the album and go to the show, right? But clearly, August 14 and August 15 are two very serious days where as supporters of an artist, we want to make sure, you know, people know say, yeah, I this and a thing there. Because the way I look on things is like this. Yes, when I say a certain, you know, like a certain group of people or people in general, a group up against somebody else, I'm not the type of person for just running and join them and say, yeah. I am more of mega stand off, one way to, you know, like the side and thing, I just try to observe and figure out like, yo, what all of this for? What is this all about? I gotta do my research. And in doing my...
You know, the worst thing, as I'm telling you, dancehall stay, you know. When this are going with Alkaline, you know, everybody stay far. Nobody know. So, yo, you know them a do the youth, so. Yeah, man, everybody just say, yo, I love this, you know. But when Masicka now, when think say, they might make it, yo, be a fight the dog, get way. No, maybe because the internet thing kind of more stronger now. But, me know say back in the days when them never want to play Alkaline song and all of them thing, them G. Right now, every DJ play Masicka song them. You understand? The internet might make you feel like say yo fight there, but I don't really fight. I just fans and make couple talk and all of them look at something. They not actually I do nothing. You understand? But when Alkaline, trust me, a lot of artists, you see it. But who really are just the Gaza fan, them kind of go back and forth with Masicka. And I like Alkaline where you see artists are far out and this, they mark out the whole of them, Ninja Man, Beanie Man, Bounty, Sizzler, the whole of them are far out, Alkaline name, Mr. G, everybody. I found out with the youth. Them not do that with Masicka, me G.
Research, me can't understand what the Masicka hate train is all about, which is why me can't support it and me can't say like, yo, me a part of that. But more will join for say like, listen, yeah, me want to see the youth win, me want to see, you know, him grow even more successful, because at the end of the day, he's been putting in the work, right? And
Yo, man always tell people say Masicka, I want an industry with them, you know. We don't even, we not even see what I go on. Him a one of the industry youth them. You see, Gaza maybe I say something about him, you know. But you notice that the most of the other people them kind of silent and support him. Those pre-levels, Bounty there, the other is the artists them there, Popcorn, all of them artists there. You see me? Rate the youth, Idonia, Movado.
it's about the sweater you bro, I say you eat. So if the light are shine on him right now, then I just feed him time. And me not see which part, you know, it makes sense for you to try to fight that down. So one side, don't get distracted here. August 14, August 15, Forever Rain and Barclays Center. Stay focused on them 2 days there. Because it's so obvious what the motive is, you know. And it don't make no sense more time for you to argue back and forth with people on social media. Just do, buy the album, as I say. And if you can forward, go Barclays forward, go. And that is it.
Yes, man. Yeah, now we live. Now we live, we come see you. I say, I do it, you rate, I do it, this, I do it, that. We come see a rate, I do it. Yeah. You know, remember all the song there where you this, I do it. Now we live, we see you. I rate, I do it, I do it in ratings. And when you did a boss, you never did rate, I do it. You never did a I do it in ratings. Just because, now you are going to get I do it in ratings, just because you don't get the chance to be a part of Portmore Empire.
Yeah, man, that's I think so, man. You don't know Masicka them, man, they, you know. Them type of youth, you see it. Yeah, man. But him a do him thing, a young artist. So he can do him thing. You see me?
Yeah, this the teacher now. I know I can read I do you now. Eh? You see? Masicka, you're confused. You're confused. Masicka, you're confused, Masicka. Now we live to see I can read I do you. I know you. We live to see a come rate I do and dislike cartel. And back in the days when you just did a bus out, you diss up every artist and you never diss cartel in the song. I remember the song then come, you listen none of your song them. That is the only song we listen for you. And from me hear you this I do and this series of artists them. They say alright. No more song this year and not listen to you. No song we not play for you. People will never see me go up on YouTube and listen to a Masicka. You only hear me hear Masicka unless me sit down. And vehicle pass with Masicka, play Masicka, or people around me play Masicka. Or me in a vehicle and vehicle play Masicka. Me hear Masicka, but me not full in a them way they see people play Masicka and walk me and ray, yeah. No, you will never see me go on YouTube.
Yeah, man, people, you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man, me have a video for sure now with KD officials, you see me? Yeah, man, check her up on TikTok and YouTube. Or subscribe, you see it? Yeah, man. See the clip, yeah?
Dance are nice again. People na. Yo, chat. You don't know. Listen. Shows after shows after shows after shows. Booking, pantapa booking. Alkaline busy. You get me, I say? So you don't know, say, the youngest and the baddest man himself, Alkaline, will be at French Ghana August the 15th performing at Reggae Day. You get me? So for my French Ghana people them no go support, buy up the ticket them and just show dance or some love they don't know say that we are strike for August the 15th. Speaking of August the 15th, Masicka will be in Barclays Center. You get me? Put on by the one and only CJ Miller. So for all of my people that want to know CJ Miller, this is CJ Miller. Basically, she is a multi-million. I don't know what pockets there, but moms have money. Those are the type of women that I emulate to become. You get me? Big up to CJ Miller. And a long time she invest in a dance hall and I use her own money and I promote to overseas and them make a thing there. So CJ Miller, she was the one who did Vybz Kartel in Barclays when him just come out. Buju Banton, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, and you don't know Alkaline. Sold out show. Now it's Masicka turn. Now, me personally, I don't have anything against Masicka. To tell you the truth, I don't. The only reason why I'm gonna rate him is because him come out and say him not rate my artist.
I say, me no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing them when him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth we grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me really I go get up and real for. You know what I mean? Because we're a street youth.
Gage?
Clown, man. Them I'm tell you as I tell you a circus still. Because Gage a clown, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, well, I don't know. So what if he wants to clash you? The both of your hands thing, if he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Winford, right now. On that stage, right, yes, sir.
So wait a minute here now. So we didn't put you in the mix when we were talking about this pending clash, this potential clash at stake. Now it's a four-way thing because Alkaline is in there, Masicka is in there, Tommy Lee and Gage. And you say you're ready. So you ready, Gage ready, Tommy Lee ready, only Alkaline is outstanding.
Afraid, man.
Personally, me not really so emotional when they come on to the party. But what he did afterwards, him paint the picture. Him paint the picture as if he's this militant person and him can hold him own and yada yada yada, you know. But everything will happen, everything with the Gaza fan them are do him and them are beat him because such man come out and say this, you know.
DJ Milan, you and your corrupted self need to go get your blood clot toys and go play with it. You need to go plug in your blood clot toys. Yes, you need to go play with your pussy. You need to go plug in your bumper ass clot rose and go play with your rose. What you mean Gaza Nation need to unite? Unite with who? Unite for what? You did see when bumper clot 2 years ago, when Cartel forget Crown, King of Dancehall, all them look at dog shit here. Jashi and bumper clot Masicka disrespect the man. You did see it? What the fuck you mean by we need to unite and we are fight Masicka? We are Masicka and a friend. We not fight Masicka. Masicka fight himself. We was the one that was supporting Masicka. And I'm going to show you that at Barclays Center. We are going to use Barclays Center to show you. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. So if you think that I'm ready, why y'all look at we and think that we can't make the show flop? We can't make the show flop. The show is just going to be flop. I know we are making flop. The artist is a flop artist. The fucking artist himself flop. You say when you see slip and slide, bitch, you never know say your pussy never slip and slide. You never know you're going to slip and slide. You never realize say Alkaline did a better job than him. And Alkaline too sure them. After Barclays, you know say you cancel them. So you headline Barclays Center with Masicka. What songs Masicka have? Where Brooklyn people know. Beanie Man, let me tell you, let me bring you to this. Beanie Man went to fucking the UBS Arena. Beanie Man couldn't sell ticket. Beanie Man dropping ticket price from $300 to Bumbuckler $99. Him did the bungle deal. That's Beanie Man, the best dancer we have coming out of Jamaica. And was king of dancehall. So, when Masicka come by, how the fuck you think, say, Masicka never do it? Oh, Masicka is not the big thing out here. He's not the biggest thing out here. He's not. Uno overrate him. Uno, CJ Miller, we don't know shit. I overrate him. What show you have that came out better than Vibes Cartel show? What show? Name it. May I wait? None. None. You do not have one show that came out better than Cartel show them. 3 show you keep with Cartel. All 3 show sold the fuck out. You ever come like you come attack the Gaza Nation? Wrong somebody, wrong blood clot group of people, wrong sick fucking head people. You are trying to go at somebody else, but not the Gaza Nation. And you can't tell we to come together with nobody. Go plug your rose in and go play with your pussy.
Me say the way all the man come out and disrespect the woman, CJ Million, The way all the man come out and this the woman, you that thing say, I invest in a dance hall and I put on everybody, even in one boss. Where you see my defense, so you that thing say, this man know this man from somewhere. Them sit down in the same range when them a go school, them play PE together, them crossroad together. You that thing say their family are associate the way all this man come out and the woman. And I don't know this one gave him from nowhere. I only know this man for barking and making a lot of noise. Empty barrel make the most noise, and this is this man. Be a lime walk and tell people. Be nice in the piece of care when living up. When are you going to stop? When are you going to stop? When are you going to stop making a fool of yourself? It gets so bad one at a time. In World Boss, did have to come out one at a time and put out a memorandum. He wasn't in there, but me know say, me I get a girl, pick sense out and nonsense. Me know say he was thought of this. He was thought during the preparation of this official notice. He never did call him name. And just to show you, say you're not important to him, your name never get called. But this was a notion to you also. The man did have to put out a memorandum to say, listen to me. If I'm not from my official team, from me, my lawyer, and my manager, it is not authorized. And you tell me, say, no shame, no little, missing man. Our people identify as man. They on the internet and make AI picture with such man and in baby mother. Quote unquote baby mother. And them stand up on her back. I love Alkaline gone to bed and I am a woman. And I will never think of making an AI picture with Alkaline, and it would be more fitting for me because I am a female and he is a male. You are a male. He is a male. And him stand up with him baby mother, so to speak, and you're there on her back. These people that are defending are the quote-unquote defenders of the Gaza are some questionable people. And it honestly make me glad every year I never associate myself with them. The man them will come out and defend Plaza. Oh no, weird. Oh no, something questionable. Honestly, oh no coming like an enigma. Oh no just I never know what kind of word to find for no. Complex. Just inadequate, honestly, because I wanna do not make nothing sense. And people just look around and laugh. Think said funny. But this is just weird behavior for grown ass men. Acting like this. You leave them thing to woman, brother, or teenage girls. The man literally make an AI picture, bro. Yo, no, sir. Come back again. This is one of him. J Progress put out this and tell him say you need to apologize to the woman because you are no investor in dancehall. The only person you defending a dancehall as such, man.
One gave him. Listen to me now, and this may help you. We need a public apology from you to CJ Milan. You go up on your platform, one gave in, and publicly apologize to CJ Milan. That are the only way it can save you. And that apology need to come before Reggae Fest Masicka show up on the 15th of August. So whatever you do, I don't know how you go plan it, I don't know how you go do it, but you need to make a public apology to CJ Milan. See what you do to your little thing you know, youth. You come out here and make 2 little talk and I get 2 little views in a blogging and see you fuck up everything here. Because I chat him out thing and you think you can run out and this everybody. Let me tell you something. You have some people in a dance hall, we get them respect. We not pick no side at all. There's no allegiance to no camp. Them work with Vice Cartel, them work with Mavado, them work with Masicka, them work with Alkaline, them work with every artist. And CJ Milan was one of those persons. CJ Milan no pick no side. Straight after Vice Cartel show, CJ Milan got put Alkaline in the same place. And now him Bounty Killer go there, Capleton them go there, and all of these people. And you this CJ Milan. And when CJ Milan went to the same man, Gaza have a problem. CJ Milan never have no problem with Gaza. And look where you come to now. One Kevin. Today is the 10th of August. You have 4 days before the 15th of August to make a public apology to CJ Milan. Believe.
And for somebody like J Progress who used to align with the Gaza, you don't know, emphasis on the word used to, because from the other day they on a solo mission to bring in the Gaza people them and the Gaza boss and thing. If him come out and say you don't live now, me believe him. As Bob Marley say, only a friend can know your secret. I remember J Progress said it over there last week, and you was a Gaza man, you know. Say over there and know everybody over there. As you say, one gave in, and he was good friend, Benjamin Batty. So if you come out and say I'm homeless, me believe you. Because you never see that man here in a different setting than in car. Or him outside of the car. Is either the car or outside of the car. You never see him lay down in a makeup bed. Or in our city. Or him a cook something in our kitchen and a talk to it. Always in our car. But anyways, we are straight from the point. Anything when Masicka get from the plaza people them, if you get it. Because remember last week it was Gacha genocide.
I mean genocide. A family this one, we put friend aside. Alright. And we straight, so we put 10 aside. Alright, and the family and we put 10 aside.
Yeah. If the clash them, this is why me believes that people for argue sometimes. Yeah man, cuss bring out, but sometimes people want to meet. Because if the clash never go on with him and family, you wouldn't know certain things. You wouldn't know what you might think about. You hear what I'm saying? And him give cartel strength when him be in the lonely yard.
Have a special one-on-one with Javon Ferron, who you probably know better as Masicka. And you never just take on Tommy, you take on the whole girl. So. And people might say you take on Cartel too.
Cartel, I support Leroy. So no man, from your support Leroy, that means you know, me have to go at everybody.
Yes, people, that's Masicka. He's gonna be on a very special edition of All Angles this Wednesday, August 12th, 8:30 p.m. and streaming on onespotmedia.com.
They must say, you know. Remember, good it up. Say, alright, I did not know Masicka before Cartel and him collaborating. I did not know. Me used to hear him music, but honestly, never used to play mine. You know, he was an underground DJ coming up and thing, but the biggest song will make people know him, in my opinion, was Cartel's song with him and him, the infrared put it on him. My dad them affiliate, yeah. You know, some people will come in and comment section and say, hey, but I'm just telling you, as a person, when I really affiliate with somebody or somebody's music, you can't differentiate the facts. So listen. You hear the man music on the internet, you hear the man music on the radio, if you go on a bus, if you go on a taxi, if you go to a road, it a play. So all if subliminally, all if you don't know if you type it in your phone, you know it if you go to a road because every minute stop play it. You get me? And that was a song that did that for me when it come out to Masicka. But what I love to see, I would love to see Masicka. Give them something for bust them pressure. Bust them head gas stick. Yes, man, run up them pressure, man. I would love to see this because it would put dancehall on a more further pedestal. Differently from what the greats had done before. Uchi Bantan, Shabba Ranks, Yellow Man, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Cartel, Movado, Alkaline. You are popcorn, you don't know you can't forget poppy. You are now coming up. You have to prove yourself. Dancehall is a competitive stage. You got to prove yourself. Embassy, you say what? So you have to prove yourself. Because the bullface man come out and say, oh, Masicka can't do this. And him can't do that. And we all know who this man is. Listen, I get to understand, say, you have a vendetta camp. You have Crocs camp. You have Unruly. And you have Gaza. And out of everybody in a dancer, every fan base and one fan base have the dirty mentality and the bring down mentality. Them no want nobody else to prevail except feed them boss alone. I mean, I never need to say the name. You know me at all. Me as a vendetta fan, would have loved to see Masicka prevail. You know, say, alright then. Going in the new era dancehall now, them always say, yo, Alkaline, I go take it. But them don't know who I am best competitor, like how you have Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. Then after that you did have Vibes Cartel and Movado. Now, some people say, yo, it's either Alkaline or Popcorn or Alkaline and Masicka. But the argument between Alkaline and Masicka is Masicka not have that caliber there to match up against Alkaline. And Masicka doing this headlining the show at Barclays Center, selling it out. We can prove to the haters and even me as a vendetta fan say, listen, we are trying to shut up. I have no problem admitting when I am wrong. That's the type of person I am. But you see for the plaza man them, oh, them man they can't do that. Listen, I'm being nice and make. I don't know how much time Alkaline shut them up. This same dark face one day we are chat off him out. This Alkaline can't do that, and if him do that, way him got do, and if him do that, him got that, and if him and then him see one come out to the and say, Alkaline sell it out, but Masicka can't go to that. You see, on a walking contradiction, verbal diarrhea, chat a lot of shit. No, just because I have a phone and not have access to internet. Chat a bag of fuckery on the internet. And for people who don't really know about dancehall, people take it up and believe it. They can be a propaganda and lie on a spread. Jay probably said, come out and say this.
TikTok. Me dey and me a meds, you know. I went since them batty mania get so brawling. That's we sit down and watch them a kill off a woman them. One Kevin, you attack a woman for Vibes Cartel, brother. Like, me really want to get this to my head. How can a man beat a woman for another man? How can a man attack a woman for another man? I went since them batty man you get so brawling. Brother, if you no think J progress a go Tanya, make you no kill off the woman them and no woman no left. We no make every man turn batty man, you no get rid of me from now. You no get rid of me from now. Me notice is a Gaza thing with them Gaza blagger ya. A woman strength the man them have is almost like you no want to kill off a whole like woman them. Look for me out here. You know how much woman attack me out here. You ever hear me answer one of them yet? No, the Gaza black of them man. The man them have a kind of crazy woman strength. The man them have a woman strength on a normal. Especially this big old body boy you want Kevin. Brother, what woman do you? Why you hate woman so? I know none of them your woman upon the app make your woman kick you out, brother. I know none of them your woman upon the app make you have visiting time with your pitney them. What make you think your baby mother don't trust you around your kids them youth? And by the way, which woman would have really trust a man like one Kevin round him kids them? After when me hear you, the kind of reference when me hear make pan this a happier. Me hear you talk to 2 lakhs and I go make 2 lakhs say, member say my twin. So a 69 man in brother when I play in my mother belly. Brother, what kind of twisted, fucked up, nasty, despicable kind of thought them in the head, brother? A picture baby I do 69, brother. And then me sit down yourself on the same app and here you go tell me say, them can't trust me around my daughter. Brother, what is your problem, one Kevin, when it come to kids? So are you telling me that every baby where you see, the only thing you can picture, every twin baby where you see, every twins that you see, brother, the only thing you can picture is them at the 69? Every father you see with them daughter, the only thing you can picture is that the father fuck them daughter. What is wrong with your youth? How is your mind so twisted? No wonder you have to get supervision with your pitney them. No wonder your baby mother have to kick you out, brother. Who would that trust you even on your own pitney them? If you can picture little baby in a belly, twin at the 69. If when you see a father and them daughter and the only thing you can picture is a father and fuck them daughter, one Kevin, something wrong with your youth. Something wrong with you. And if you can come out here and come tear down a woman for another man, for another man you come out here and tear down a woman, I one thing, you know. I hope that as long as Vybz Kartel live on this earth here, him never ever make him and you there in a one place together. Mr. Vybz Kartel invite the batty boy Gaza uncle in yard already, you know. The suck pussy batty boy Gaza uncle, you know. Cause me there and hear Gaza uncle style of popcorn mother, you know. And that's how them gone, you know. So them batty boy stay, you know. Me there and hear my style of popcorn mother. But you Gaza uncle is for another day. I just hope say Vybz Kartel no invite you one Kevin in yard none tall. Because me swear to God you go hold down Vybz Kartel and rape him. He might go shoot you and end up back at prison. Anyhow you and Vybz Kartel in a one place together, one Kevin, I swear you go hold down Vybz Kartel and rape him. He might go shoot you. Because the way how you act, brother, nobody can tell me nothing you know want fuck Vybz Kartel. Nobody can tell me nothing. Because if a man can attack and beat a woman for another man, no sir. No. He pass bad. Me know say something ain't right about no Gaza black boy, you know. Me know say something ain't right about you know. Because every time me hear them man talk, if I no man a put in a them mouth, if I no man a batty man, me know something never right, but me just couldn't put my finger upon it. Me just couldn't put my finger upon it. But now I see what the problem is. And one thing me know, Vybz Kartel better make sure watch himself. Because me know see a fuck one Kevin want fuck him. One Kevin, you see you? You is nothing but a big old batty boy. What kind of man in a history I go beat a woman for another man? Another man. Where there's something wrong with you, man?
You're not going in your pocket because you're not in a pocket for going on and the money enough to draw out. Because you don't know live nowhere. Yo, J Progress across, so man. Yo. Nah, like, me not rate energy Progress, but you talk some truth. Still side eye here, still, you know. Because once an enemy, always an enemy, you know, but you make me laugh. J Progress say, you don't know live nowhere. Yo, nah, like, that's all nice. You are not funding any shows. You're not even keep a treat at Jamaica or overseas. And the only thing you do is bring down people in a dance hall to make your people them look good. Is there something wrong with it now? If you claim to say you love music and you love the genre, you love dancehall, and you want to see dancehall up there with rap and R&B and souls and pop, you would not do this, brother. Just so one person eat a food. So you're telling me that if such man be dead, God forbid it, I'm not calling it dead for nobody. You pass off tomorrow morning, dancehall done. I eat that. Nothing more. No, so no retarded. Something wrong with you. Something is wrong with the dancehall was, is, and is going to be after him. I'm just glad for no say the people him finally, I see a uno as Gaza people I bring down dancehall. How no one person him alone for up there, nobody else. And if you not come out, I know kneel to him and suck him on, me a burn you out too. For nothing at all. Just because you never bow down to him and kiss him ring. Who the fuck is you? Eh? That's why I'm happy until the day I die. I will always say vendetta. You know? Because when the man come out and say, yo, listen, I respect everybody. And at that time, I don't know. You see, because Alkaline is a new era and a new generation of dancehall, and all of the young booby now them look up to him and I give him praise in honor of facts. Hey, I truly don't know, you know, anytime when I look at you, them come out, as you could DJ, you them a bust out, I hear them say, yo, who is your favorite dancehall artist? Like, you know, your top 5 or whatever. Yeah, and them hear Alkaline, them would hear any other name. You see when them hear Alkaline? Fuck how no. Alkaline go mad don't know. He's going to mad. He might go make you check in at Bellevue early. Listen to me. Dancehall nice. I love dancehall music. And I would love for Masicka to be real. You get me? Yeah man, shut them up man youth. I love not rate you see me, but still, if you do this, if you sell out Barclays, this I want him come out and say this.
If Masicka show flop this Saturday in a Barclays, me Nico fire. You see that laptop, yeah? Me give it to an upcoming DJ. I say go on the road and start life. And me retire out of music. And me deactivate all of my social media accounts them. Because me tell him, Masicka say, keep your own show. And the whole Jamaica and the whole world see that. So me tell him. And me no mean no artist bad. No care no hear me critique them music and talk bad about them music and give a bad review about them music if I buckry. Me no hate no artist. And if every artist listen to me, them career go better. If every dancehall or reggae artist listen to me, then career go better. Because I no talk of no place of hatred or envy or bad mind or jealousy. And I me tell Masicka to keep him sure. And then him and CJ Milan link up and less than 2 months after they announce the Barclays show. So why me that do that if me didn't know say him can't full Barclays? The youth are create history and hear me just say a while ago, if the show flop, me Nico fire, give me my laptop to an upcoming DJ and me retire from music and me deactivate all of my account them. On TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, every account, me just come off of the internet. Cause all without the youth, when I go see what me I talk about. That's why I make sure put out that video. Me gonna see. And the Oasis Music Festival we are going in Canada are gonna be the biggest festival. Worst snake of the pony. So no watch and see.
And so I get to understand them people at the mouth. You remember we used to go to school and teacher used to say put your finger on your mouth? Sometimes I must learn to do this. Them mouth I'll get them in a trouble. Don't get me wrong, I know when you believe in somebody I say yo Ray, sometimes I must learn for humble. Bill. Yeah man. Bill. You not chat too much. Fi man. Jesus. She